Hi Karan,
Yeah, hi Mrinank. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Absolutely fine. Please tell me.
Okay, so I'm Mrinank, convener of Youngster Entrepreneur Nexus.
Okay. Wow.
So, which is its short form is YEN. So this VUCA world situation made us or inspired us to start with an program like YEN. It's a forum
Mhm.
where we can ignite the entrepreneurship mindset in
Right,
youth.
right, 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 right.
So here are my some questions to you.
Sure.
Uh, Share the gist about the books you authored.
Hmm. So Mrinank, I've written two books. The first one is titled Jack and Master. It's a tribute to different careers. Like when I was starting out, I was always called a jack of all because I was dabbling into a lot of careers. So we've heard the saying Jack and Master. So it's about two individuals. One is a jack of all who wants to do a lot of things, multiple careers. The other is a master of one. So, it talks about, do we want to be a jack in life or do we want to be a master in life? It's connected immensely with students per se because they are at an age sometimes in graduation, post-graduation, even after post-graduation, where they're grappling with, which way should I go? What really is my true calling? So the first book was Jack and Master. It became a national bestseller. Second one is recently released. It's titled Dhruv, Love Story of an Alchemist. It was topping the charts just before the Corona thing hit in. And I am keeping my fingers crossed that once book sales start and once the bookstores open, it's an inspiring story about a boy named Dhruv. Dhruv means a shining star. So he believes he's destined for greatness. And it's a tribute to everyone who's been through a difficult time. And when I talk about difficult times, it's one of these times we are in right now. How you can either go down in these difficult times or you can, rise like a phoenix from the ashes and shine bright like Dhruv. So it's a tribute to everyone who's been through a tough time. These are the two books that I have authored right
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, last questions to you.
now. Hmm.
YEN is created for igniting young minds. Would you like to
Hmm.
contribute your mentorship to youth online or offline?
Sorry, I didn't get your last line.
YEN is created for igniting young minds. Would you
Right.
like to contribute your mentorship to youth
Hmm.
online or offline?
Actually, both. Actually, both. I don't want to confine it to one medium. I still believe that, one-on-one interaction when we are across the table, I am still a stickler to that old world thing that when we are one-on-one right in front, we open up more. I've seen that with a lot of students and entrepreneurs who've come to me. But yes, post-COVID, the reality that we are living in, this might be a reality, what we are doing right now. So I think the greatest thing is flexibility. Doesn't matter whether it's online or offline. I would still prefer to meet one-on-one, because it really helps and inspires the other person I've seen. But I don't
Sir,
mind
sir, sir,
taking it online. Yeah.
sir. Actually, the question was, would you like to contribute your mentorship, sir?
So yeah, I would like to contribute my
Okay.
mentorship,
Thank you,
both
sir. Thank you
online,
very much.
offline. Yeah.
Thank you very much.